To check your transaction history on Spotify, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate through the process to view your payment history and subscription details. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Spotify website or open the Spotify app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Overview. Once logged in, navigate to your account overview. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile picture or username in the top right corner and selecting Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access your subscription details. In the Account Overview section, look for a tab or link labeled your plan or subscription. Click on it to view details about your current subscription and payment information. Step 4. View transaction history. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Download or print your history. If you need a physical copy or want to save your transaction history, look for Download or Print option. This will allow you to keep a record of your transactions for future reference. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Spotify. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Spotify support for assistance.